Actually, continuously I'm getting back-to-back calls about very late admission. So I thought let's make a separate video for those students who are joining very late. So for GATE 2023, in the last moment, my course plan is something like this. I will explain. My name is Vikas Kumar Srivastav. I have qualified GATE 6 times, Aerospace Department. It's been 8+ years I'm teaching since 2014 GATE A subjects. And from 2018 I'm teaching pilots in different countries. I take classes for physics, math for JEE Advance. Students who have qualified their board exam like 12th, after that they prepare for advance, for IIT Advance. I hope you may be aware of this. Okay, anyway, so what are the things you should be looking for if you are willing to prepare for GATE exam? Main thing is the topic wise concept, and then practice problems, and then test series. These are the main three things. Now to achieve these three things, we have problem here, problem in this topic wise concept clearance. Because if you are joining me in Feb month, then from day one everything will be parallel, and you guys will cover all the all the topics in detail. But if suppose someone is joining in March month, in April month, in May month, till this much time you can cop up with the syllabus with me, like you can sit in my live class. But right now you can see it's almost September mid. So if you are this much late, in that case what should be your best plan? So for that, you see, this is the first point, what is most important for you. One full year regular batch video course you take, means the same course whatever I have taught in these past few months in detail from Feb 15th I'm talking. This course is running from 15th Feb 2022. Okay, whatever I have taught, I have recorded those videos in detail. That video you can take. Okay, all the topics I have covered in detail. Watch these videos, and whatever time you are assigning for your GATE preparation, in that time make proper notes, and after that solve assignments. What to do, what not to do, I have explained in the video itself, so you'll be having proper idea after watching this video what to do, what not to do. So this video course is best for preparation in detail, because even though if you are remaining with 4 month or 3 month, if you are understanding something from the basics, definitely you'll be having sufficient time to cover the entire syllabus. But see, if you are not understanding anything in detail, then lightly if you are doing any topic, that is not going to help you for GATE exam. Of course that kind of preparation you can do for your university courses, but not for GATE exam. So this is one thing. Now you make your notes, solve assignments, solution will be given there. So if any question you are being stuck, then you can see the solution. Solve test series problem, again solution will be there. I should mention here, there are total 400 test series. It includes topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise, and full length. Now for some tough questions of the test series, I have given some important video solutions in detail again. So total 400 test series you have to cover. Now how this entire package will look like if you want to purchase this. So see, entire package will be like this: one full year video course. Actually in this one full year video course, that is for 2022 to 2023, but I will also give you 2011 2022 course, because that is already saved with me. Okay, so two different courses I will be giving you, and you can follow any one, either 2022 or 2023, any two you can follow. Okay, both will be available for you. So I hope you understood. Full year video course. So this video course is that video course what I am teaching from 15th Feb. Then assignment with solution. I am talking about the package what you are going to get from me: assignments with solution, test series 400 with solution, topic wise, chapter wise, subject wise, and full length. And full length test series will be 30. Then all important books and other important PDFs, copyright, non-copyright, all those things will be on my drive, and those things you'll be getting. And the formula book, and short notes, important tricky notes, and class notes will be there. And everyday doubt, every day whatever you are learning from that, whatever doubts you are trying to ask from the video course or from the what to say, from assignment or from the test series. So uh, actually, because if you are joining very late, then definitely some doubts will be there. When you are going through the live lecture, that time you can ask those doubts directly in the live lecture, but that time fees will be 35k in Feb 15th if you are joining. But because you guys are late now, anyway you are going to cover the entire portion, and this 35k I'm talking for those students who joined me in Feb month. But now because time is remaining less, so whatever portion you will cover using video course, anyway it is going to be 100% portion. So whatever doubts will come, I have to reply for those doubts. If there are no doubts coming in your mind, then no problem. So late joining students, they can ask unlimited doubt. They will be having unlimited time session for individual doubts. It is like a private tuition. You watch the video, okay, make your own notes, and after making the notes, whatever doubts you're having, you call me and ask me your doubts. Okay, that is best way. This is kind of like in less time also you can cover more syllabus. Even though if you are preparing for 4 months or 3 months, in these 4 months, 3 months or 2 months, you can cover entire syllabus in with your speed and with my help, that what to study in this small portion of time, what to leave, those things I will guide you after admission. Okay, and along with this, in package we move to this part, live crash course with doubts. I'm starting in October day 1. If you're watching this video very late in November month or in December month, that time also crash course videos will be recorded again. So now you got two different types of recording. One recording what is full year 1 year recording, and one recording which is crash course recording. So crash course recording and 1 year recording both will be given to you. Okay, so this is what I'm starting from October day 1. Timing will be in two slots, 6:30 evening, 6:30 evening to 8 evening. Okay, 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. Then break of 1 hour for dinner, then 9 to 11 again class, then after 11 continuously doubts in night time. Now live test series. So actually what does it mean? If you are joining this package course, in this course, whatever test series you are solving, those test series I'll be discussing also. Okay, so that test series, if you want to discuss the live, then it is included in this package. You can anyway solution is given in the test series, but still some students think that no sir, you explain the numerical live properly with as per your doubt. So I'll be doing that. Now in January month, full revision batch I'll be running again. So I hope you understood all the features what I'm providing under this thing. So this will clear your complete doubt. I hope totally clear. You have to complete solve all the important assignments and daily practice sheets and ask your doubts properly. But this course fees is going to be 25k. Okay, if you want all these features whatever I have explained. Suppose you don't want all these features, you want only video course, you don't want separate doubt session, you don't want crash course, you don't want revision. It means what? It is purely self-study program. So 15k, in that you'll be getting videos, assignments and test series with solution, so you can prepare by yourself. Okay, now if you're interested in 25k course, you can come to WhatsApp and you can say that sir, I'm interested in 25k course. Or if you want 15k course, that is pure video course, you can say sir, I want 15k course. Now last thing is 20k course. In 20k course you'll be having video course, that is 1 year video course. You'll be having assignment, you'll be having test series, okay, assignment with solution, test series with solution, and you will also be having free crash course with crash course videos. It means what? Whatever video I'm giving you 1 year, that video, and here. Now in this 20k plan, what is not present? No doubt session, no revision course. It means what? Here doubt session, crash course and revision, both, all the three are not there, and crash course videos are also not there in 15k. But here you can join crash course program, that is free in 20k. and if you are joining crash course program, then you will also be getting videos of the crash course. So one video for the full length and one video for the crash course. You can also use this crash course video for your revision purpose. Okay, because see here you don't have revision in January month, okay, in this package. So you can definitely ask your doubts during the class, but if you are joining this 20k package, in this you cannot ask doubt out of the class. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you want to ask doubt anytime out of the class also, that time you have to go for 25k. If you don't want to ask any doubt, you can manage through Google or somehow, then 15k. On YouTube also a lot of contents are already available, a lot of question solution already available, so from here from there also you can learn many things. And in the last 20k, in 20k you understood a video course, assignment, test series, and free crash course with crash course video also. Now that's all. Crash course timing you understand one time in detail. Crash course will be running 4 days to 5 days in week. Actually I am keeping this right now 4 days, but will be running 4 days to 5 days in week. Okay, now timing will be 6:30 to 8 one slot, then gap of 1 hour for dinner, then 9 to 11 again, and after 11 unlimited doubts. And crash course will get over within December month. So again in January month you'll be having time for revision with me, but revision course is only available in 25k, or you can revise by yourself. Then and whatever videos are being allotted for you, whatever study material, whatever test series, that you can access only till your GATE exam. Once GATE exam is over, then you cannot access those material. And now talk about test series. Suppose some students are only interested in test series, then test series you can purchase in 5k with solution. And if you want to come to the test series discussion class, so that you can ask your doubts and all in test series discussion, then you have to pay 10k. So I hope it's very clear. 5k and 10k is for test series, then 15k, 20k and 25k, these three plans for classes. I hope it's clear. Then let's meet on WhatsApp.